Hi there, students. Whiter than white. Okay, this is an adjective. If you describe somebody as whiter than white, you're saying that they are morally beyond reproach. They're honest and good and they've never done anything wrong in their life. Well, yes, but also sometimes we use it to suggest that it's not absolutely true. So the politician always wants everybody to believe that his reputation in politics is whiter than white, or at least he wants to be seen as whiter than white. Now, it could be true, yeah? He's whiter than white. I don't think he's ever stolen anything in his life. I don't think he's ever hurt anyone in all the years that he's lived, yeah? So, if you're going to be a judge, yeah, you need to be seen as whiter than white. The government need to be seen as whiter than white. Yeah, if you're whiter than white, you never do anything wrong. The press depicted her as a saint. They depicted her as somebody who was whiter than white, who had never done anything wrong in their life. But often we use this to refer to doubts about the person's character, yeah, or perhaps when you're being ironic to suggest that they are less honest or moral than they appear to be. So this whiter than white image that he projects is just a front. Yeah. Okay. So you're saying that it's not actually true. Your behavior needs to be whiter than white in the future. Yeah. You need to be to look to appear saintly and virtuous. Yeah. So everything that you do needs to be whiter than white. Yeah. You can't do anything that's wrong. Yeah. You're beyond moral reproach, and it's very clear to me. Whiter than white is is impossible to be because you never do anything wrong. Okay, so yeah, it's now the other question is, I've seen some people suggest that this phrase "whiter than white" is racist, but I don't think this phrase is racist at all. I think your reputation, you have a black reputation or you have a white reputation. Yeah, he's or even a grey reputation. Okay, so people that are whiter than white, they are always seen as completely honest and moral. Yeah, a member of parliament should be seen as whiter than white. Okay, so don't let them see you do anything wrong. As long as they think that you're whiter than white, then you're not going to have a problem. Okay, yeah, your lifestyle needs to appear to be whiter than white. But then I guess all good mafia bosses appear to be whiter than white. You can't prove anything that's wrong, that their actions are always completely honest and moral. Yeah, there's no way she could have stolen the money because she's always whiter than white. Okay, so formality, whiter than white. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. I think it's a nice idiom, or maybe even a metaphor. And yeah, black and white. Well, white, if something is white, implies goodness, virginity, things like things like that. White meaning uh, meaning good, yeah, characterized by something that is morally correct. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Whiter than white.